In this video, we'll balance the equation for Cu plus H2SO4. This is copper plus sulfuric acid. And for this reaction to happen, this has to be concentrated and it has to be hot. So what's happening here, normally we wouldn't expect copper to be able to displace the hydrogen. But since we have all these oxygens here, this is an oxidizing agent and we have what's called a redox reaction. So if you have concentrated sulfuric acid and you heat it up, this reaction, it will happen and it'll produce this gas here, this SO2 gas that'll come off. All right, let's balance the equation. We have 1 copper, 2 hydrogens, 1 sulfur, and 4 oxygens. Product side, we have the 1 copper, we have 2 hydrogens, and be careful here, we have 1 sulfur here and 1 here. So we have 2 sulfur atoms. Oxygen, we have 4 plus 2, that's 6, plus 1, that gives us 7. So why don't we start by balancing the sulfurs? I like to leave oxygens until last. So I could put a 2 in front of the H2SO4. Now I have 2 times 2. That would give me 4 hydrogen atoms. 1 times 2. That'll give me the 2 sulfurs. So we balance the sulfur atoms. And then the 4 here times 2. Now we have 8 oxygen atoms. On this side, why don't we balance the hydrogens now? We could put a 2 in front of the H2O. So we'd have 2 times 2. That would give us 4 hydrogen atoms. And then for the oxygen, let's update this number. So we have 4 plus 2, that's 6, plus the 1 times 2. So this is 2 here. 4 plus 2 plus 2, that gives us 8. And we're done. This equation is balanced. So 2 big things here. 1, this has to be concentrated and it has to be hot for the reaction to happen. And then the second thing is, be careful with these sulfurs here. Make sure you count both of these, and then make sure you count all of the oxygen atoms as well. This is Dr. B with the balanced equation for Cu plus H2SO4, copper plus concentrated sulfuric acid. Thanks for watching.